how to buy QUAI or QAI network token. So this token came under the symbol of QUAI. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto. With this referral code, simply it goes below. Find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. In the description. Sorry, guys. So, as you can see, if you check this post from the MEXC listing, you will be able to see this. So as you can see, the initial new listing alert. So as you can see, this pair will be listed on MEXC once liquidity requirements are met. So as you can see, this token, it's available on MEXC. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT. So what you do after that, go and log into your account from MEXC, as you can see. Now go back to this post and you can copy this symbol of the token, as you can see here. Now copy it. Now go back, and as you can see here in search, hit it and paste this token. So as you can see, the initial, you will be able to see this post, as you can see. Now make sure to read that post, as you can see here. So after that, if you go back to this post, it will be show you this. So you can read this post, as you can see here. And now you will be able to find the more information about this token. So this is how to buy QI or QAI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.